Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your controller and installing its drivers so Windows recognizes it. This prevents ghost inputs. Once done, get a reputable mapping tool that supports macros and Xbox controllers. Install and run it as administrator to allow low-level input hooks. You should connect via USB for stability during setup. Wireless can be added later. Make sure the controller firmware is up to date in the Xbox Accessories app, because outdated firmware can block advanced mapping features. You now create a profile for the specific game and record your macro. Press the inputs in order, include realistic delays, and set repeat or toggle options if needed. This defines how the macro behaves. Once the macro is saved, assign it to an available physical control like a paddle, trigger, or button. Choose whether it requires hold, toggle, or one-shot activation. Make sure to test the macro in a neutral environment so timings feel natural and don't conflict with native game controls. You finish by thoroughly testing macros in your game and adjusting timings, sensitivity, or trigger behavior until actions are reliable. Small delay tweaks often fix missed inputs. Enable the mapping software to run at startup and export your profile for backups so you don't recreate setups. If a macro doesn't work, check anti-cheat policies and switch to allowed bind-only mappings or reduce automation complexity. This prevents bans. If issues persist, reinstall drivers and run the mapper as administrator to resolve permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.